welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start with chapter 5, Shapes and Pictures in MS Word part 3. In this video we are going to study about apply a style to a shape, add flowcharts with connectors, use shadow and three-dimensional effects, etc. So let's begin. Adjust the size of the shape. Select the shape or shapes you want to resize. On the Format tab in the Size group, click the arrow or type new dimensions in the height and width boxes. Look at this picture, children. First, you have to select the shape that you want to resize like this. Then move the cursor on the Format tab. This is the Format tab. Then go on Size group. This is the Size group, children. Click the arrow or type the new dimensions in the height and width boxes. This is the height and width boxes. Here you have to type height and width. In this way, children, you can change height and width of the shape. Apply a style to a shapes. In the Shape Styles group, rest your pointer over a style to see what your shape will look like when you apply that style. Click the style to apply it or click Shape, Fill or Shape Outline and select the option that you want. Look at this picture, children. This part is called a Shape Style group. Rest your pointer over a style to see what your shape will look. Here you have to keep your pointer so that you can see what your shape look like when you apply that style. From here, apply any one style and see the change in the figure. Add flowcharts with connectors. Before you create a flowcharts, add a drawing canvas by clicking the Insert tab. Clicking Shapes in the Illustration group and then clicking New Drawing Canvas. Before you create a flowcharts, first you have to add a drawing canvas. To insert a drawing canvas, first click on the Insert tab. This is the Insert tab, children. Then clicking Shapes in the Illustration group and then clicking New Drawing Canvas. Click on this Shapes. This part is called the Illustration group. And from Shapes, select New Drawing Canvas. In this way, you can insert a new drawing canvas in your document. On the Format tab, in the Insert Shapes group, click a flowchart. Under lines, choose a connector line such as curved arrow connectors. Look at this picture, children. Click on the Format tab. This is the Format tab, children. Click on Format tab. Then click on Insert Shape. When you click on Insert Shape group, Insert Shape box will be appeared. From Insert Shape box, go on a flowchart shape. This is a flowchart shape. From flowchart, select any one shape. After that, under lines, this is the line option. From here, choose a connector line such as curved arrow like this. Choose any one line from here. As shown in figure, in this way you can add flowcharts with connectors. Use shadow and three-dimensional 3D effects. Three-dimensional effects add interest to the shapes in your drawing. On the Format tab in the Shape Style group, click the Shapes Effects and choose an effect. Look at this picture, children. This is the Format tab. Click on this Format tab. Then go on Shape Style group. This part is called the Shape Style group. Click Shapes Effect. This is the Shape Effects option. Click on this Shape Effect option and choose an effect. From here, choose any one effect and see the change in your shape in the document. In this way, you can give shadow and three-dimensional effect. Align the objects on the canvas. To align the objects, press and hold Ctrl key while you select the object that you want to align. In the Arrange group, click Align to choose from an assortment of alignment commands. If you want to align the object, you have to press and hold the Ctrl key when you select the object that you want to align. As shown in figure, select the object and hold Ctrl key while you select the object that you want to align. After that, this is the Format tab. Click on the Format tab. And this part is called the Align group. Click on this Align option which is present in the Format tab. When you click on Align option, you will get a Align menu. From this menu, select any one that you want. For example, if you want to align left, select Align left. If you want to align shape at center, select Align center. In this way, you can align the objects on the canvas. It's all for today. We will continue the same topic in the next video. Till then, bye bye.